Hey everyone, if your AOC monitor has no sound, don't worry, this is a very common issue and it's usually easy to fix. The key is figuring out whether the problem is hardware related or caused by software settings. We'll start with the basics. First, confirm that your AOC monitor actually has built-in speakers. Many AOC models don't include speakers and only support audio pass-through through a headphone jack. If your model does have speakers, open the monitor's on-screen display and make sure the volume isn't muted or turned all the way down. Next, check your computer's sound settings. On Windows or Mac OS, your system may still be sending audio to external speakers or headphones. Set the AOC monitor as the default audio output device. Then inspect your cables. HDMI and DisplayPort carry both video and audio, but VGA and DVI do not, unless you use a separate audio cable. If you're using USB-C and hearing buzzing or no sound, switch to HDMI or DisplayPort, as USB-C can sometimes cause audio interference. If there's still no sound, restart both your computer and the monitor. This clears temporary glitches. After that, update your audio and graphics drivers, since HDMI and DisplayPort audio rely on GPU drivers. You can also enable loudness equalization in Windows to boost weak monitor speakers. If nothing works, power cycle the monitor by unplugging it, holding the power button for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Persistent issues may require contacting AOC support, especially if your monitor is under warranty.